एंड दैट्स इट एंड आई रियलाइज दैट बॉम्बे ने मुझे रोक लिया. जिन्होंने सब मुझे सिखाया उनको मैंने नो वन फिर जेसिका में कास्ट किया. उन्होंने बोला इधर इधर बैठ इधर. एंड आई वाज लाइक आर यू श्योर? अरे बैठ बैठ बैठ. ऑडिशन देना पड़ेगा. ईगो पे लग गई. यार एक सीन के लिए ऑडिशन के लिए बुला रहे हैं मुझे, मतलब मैं इतना खराब एक्टर हूँ. सारे काम करो, कपड़े धो दे मेरे भाई, रोटी बना दे. क्यों बनाऊं? मैं कॉलेज थिएटर ग्रुप में जो मेरा निकनेम पड़ा था वो है बीला. क्या हो गया भैया? हाँ जल्दी आना भैया, क्या हो गया? हाँ अच्छा. श्रीमन बोलता ना विक्की, तो ऐसे करके गए थे. दैट इज वेरी मी. तो मैं कहीं नहीं मिल रहा था तो उसने फाइनली बोला वड़ा पाव तो खा लो मेरे साथ. गुलाब खत्री आओ कॉफी पीते. कॉफी पीते. बट ही वाज टू स्वीट एंड देन स्टार्टेड किसिंग मी. And suddenly I see on the middle of the road, I see a woman with white sari, as cliche as it can get. And the auto guy is now, he's driving, but his head is down. He's like, साया है, साया है, साया है. And I'm like, अरे तो आप ऊपर देखो ना.
और अब हम लुब्धी की तरफ जाएंगे. लुब्धी, you want to ask him a question?
So my question was, if you have to share your room with one of your characters that you have played so far, who would it be and why?
पसंद है, दोस्त लायक है कोई? मतलब सवाल देखिए, मतलब हथौड़ा से आगे के साथ रूम शेयर करेंगे?
नहीं of course I'll choose to share my room with जना यार.
हाँ, जना.
उससे सारे काम भी करवाऊंगा. सारे काम करूंगा, कपड़े धो दे मेरे भाई, रोटी बना दे. क्यों बनाऊं? बना देना यार, प्यार से बोलूंगा जना कर देगा. That's the best part about जना.
यार but एक तरफ जना, so cute, gullible, and then you were this terrible human being I saw in Veda.
Yeah.
This politician, आप तो मतलब खड़े हो सकते हैं इलेक्शंस के लिए. कई बार I'm sorry but ऐसे लगता था मुझे कि क्या अभिषेक is this person?
Yeah, I think
is he that bad?
शबाना मैम ने मुझे बोला. शबाना asked me, she was there for Veda's screening. And I met her. I was very nervous to meet her because she's such a phenomenal actress, legend. I'm like यार कैसे हाथ मिलाऊं, मतलब वो हाथ मिला के इग्नोर ना कर दे, you know. But she shook my hand and she was really praising the performance and she's like, तुम ऐसे हो क्या? असल जिंदगी में ऐसे ही हो क्या? हाँ वरना इतना ट्रुथ कैसे आ रहा है? And things like that.
Oh my God.
And I was so embarrassed. I'm like नहीं मैम, no ऐसा नहीं है. Please watch स्त्री. नहीं आपने स्त्री नहीं देखी? कहते नहीं मैंने स्त्री नहीं देखी. मैंने कहा प्लीज आप स्त्री देखिए. Because I wanted to prove it to her that I'm not a bad human being here. So, but Suti, that's the thing. Playing that, that is what the training of as an actor. That's what you get. That you approach characters in a way that people will believe it. That that's what you are, and I think that's when the job is done. But inherently, I'm very cute. Inherently, I'm very gullible.
Take your word for it.
Inherently, I'm very gullible. I'm actually very gullible. My college theatre group में जो मेरा nickname पड़ा था वो है बीला. I don't think मेरे किसी भी बैचमेट या किसी भी फ्रेंड का कोई निकनेम इतना पॉपुलर है जितना मेरा निकनेम पॉपुलर है, बीला. एंड बीला का मतलब आई कांट एक्सप्लेन बट इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ डम गाय. बिकॉज माय सीनियर्स यूज्ड टू फाइंड मी वेरी डम. बिकॉज टू ऑलवेज लाइक क्या हो गया भैया? हाँ जल्दी आना भैया, क्या हो गया? हाँ अच्छा. एंड आई एम वेरी स्लो विद I used to be very slow with smart witty humor. So somebody is trying to improvise something कि इसके सामने नहीं बोलना है, मैं पक्का बोल दूंगा. ठीक है, तो जना जो करता है, श्रीमन बोलता ना विक्की, तो ऐसे करके गए थे. That is very me. I am somebody who is capable of doing that. मेरी दादी वादी यही बोलती थी कि मैं तू बड़ा यार भोला आदमी है, विवेकानंद जैसा है तेरा वैसा. या But and even now I think I have become smarter. ऐसा नहीं है, अब मैं smarter हो गया हूँ. But मुझे पता है कि there are situations where I don't get it, and I'm like, because I'm very, how do you put it? I'm very transparent or brutally honest in life generally.
किनको आपने कास्ट करके almost किस्मत बनाई?
बहुत. मोहम्मद ज़ीशान आयुब पहले.
Yeah.
सब जिन्होंने सब मुझे सिखाया उनको मैंने नो वन फिर जेसिका में कास्ट किया. उसके बाद ऐसे बहुत सारे एक्टर्स अब याद नहीं आ रहे. मतलब अगर ऐसे बोले तो मिथिला पालकर, अविनाश तिवारी, सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी, very recently Tripti Dimri, though she was cast in Laila Majnu, but we really backed her in Bulbul, Kala, all these films. Priyanshu Penyoli, the entire cast of Mirzapur, whoever you see, I always believed in Divendu, so I knew that he can do anything, and I got him to take Prem Katha. Yeah, I called him and said, "You please do it." So because that's what you do. You want you and I not because he's my friend, because I know he's a fantastic actor. Now the world knows he's a fantastic actor. तो मैंने कहा भी दोस्ती ऐसी वाली नहीं दिखाई कि तू दोस्त है बेटा आजा कर ले. ऐसे कोई एग्जांपल्स है नहीं मेरे पास. इनफैक्ट मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं जो मुझे गाली देते हैं कि यार तू कभी नहीं किया तूने. You know it's that, and sometimes you can't. Because you can't really force a bad actor or somebody who's not cracked an audition. But you can always push a good actor.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
What are some of the most desperate things people have done to be cast by you?
मुझे बस एक ने बोला था, मतलब वो बहुत दिनों से somebody who was like कि कॉफी पे मिलते हैं, इधर मिलते हैं, उधर मिलते हैं. तो मैं कहीं नहीं मिल रहा था, तो उसने फाइनली बोला वड़ा पाव तो खा लो मेरे साथ.
So cute. Did you find
No. I'm like, hey, yaar, that's so sad. I'm like, you please come to office. We'll have a coffee or something. Yeah.
Shreya, are you ready with your question?
Yes. And my question to you is, in an interview you mentioned that you waited 25 years for one day of shoot with Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
So how
Oh,
was
recently
the...
I said that. You read that also?
So, I read about you.
Wow.
So how was the experience when you first met him as an actor and worked with him on set, and especially for the scene from Stree 2?
Momo. Yeah. Yeah, देख मैं ना in the times of Khans, I was following Akshay Kumar.
Oh,
Yeah.
खिलाड़ी fan.
Yeah. Huge खिलाड़ी fan. Okay. I used to just love it. And also because I am trained in martial arts. मैंने गोजूरी किया हुआ है. साउथ इंडिया कलपाकम में there's a Japanese martial art form. ब्लैक बेल्ट नहीं मिल पाया क्योंकि पापा का ट्रांसफर हो गया. तो मैं ब्राउन बेल्ट तक था. 4 साल मैंने वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग की. तो मुझे obviously like I saw an actor who is like flying and kicking and doing wrestling कर रहा है. अंडरटेकर को उठा के गिरा दिया and all that. So for me he was the hero like many kids. You know those days kids used to love Akshay Kumar and I think girls used to love Shah Rukh Khan, Salman, Amir. ये competition चल रहा था, है ना? हमारे टाइम में 90s में जब तुम पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे. So for me, I always saw him as that action hero. I used to follow all his films. And then I think during school late years or college, हेरा फेरी के. वो हेरा फेरी देख के मेरा दिमाग घूम गया कि ये अक्षय कुमार ने ये क्या कर दिया. What is this Raju? What is this character? तू कर ले. Suddenly he was a different guy. गुलाब खत्री आओ कॉफी पीते. And Paresh Rawal is like no. It's just crazy. Like the whatever things he was doing. Garam Masala. Have you seen that film Garam Masala? Oh my God, that's a one-man show. It was brilliant. Like whatever. Welcome में he's becoming Seedha also. हाँ ये बोल रहा था. So and I can see that होता नहीं है दिल्ली में वो जो एक ये बोल सकते हैं कि नहीं बोल सकते पता नहीं वो हरामी बना जो वो जो एक पता है दिमाग में कि यार ये प्यारा बन रहा है लेकिन इसका दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा है. मुझे पता है दीदी डर गई. Seen all of that. It is hilarious and because we're from Delhi, we always were relatable. It was for me relatable, that kind of humor. So I always thought कि यार एक दिन लाइफ में I want to like be on a screen with Akshay Kumar. Late होगा जो भी होगा. Finally, Stree 2 के लिए जब हम लोग रीडिंग कर रहे थे तो वो सीन हम पढ़ लिया था. उन्होंने बोला अरे कौन कर रहा है because that's a very interesting scene. तो मैं बोला था कौन एक्टर कर रहा है. हमारे like secret है. I'm like अरे secret क्या है बताओ ना यार. We kept on coaxing him. Finally, he said it's going to be Akshay Kumar. And I'm not kidding. I was very, very, very thrilled because I knew it's going to be a good scene. उसी दिन मुझे पता था because I know कि मैं उनके साथ तो मतलब डबल मेहनत करूँगा. जितना ही मुझे एक्टिंग आती है मैं उससे ज़्यादा दुगना एक्टिंग करूँगा. And then when I met him on set, तो भाग के आया यार सेट पे. तो मतलब वो वाली बात है कि मतलब देख रहे हो कि वेट कर रहे हो and suddenly you see 6 people running towards the set and that's Akshay Kumar running and there are people like his staff is also running. Like, oh, wow, yaar, what a fitness mantra. Like he's really a fit guy and he wants to keep himself fit and everybody fit. और उनका एक ही चीज है अबे क्यों नेस्ती फैला रहे हो. He doesn't like laziness. So that's why he's very quick and everything and he came, he met all of us and we were of course like we told him sir fan है वो सब तो I think वो सुनते ही होंगे रोज and all that. तो वो सब हुआ and लगा बड़ा सिंग करते हैं and then we started jamming like how musicians jam सितार और तबले में गिटार और ड्रम में That's how two actors started jamming. They were like, you know, we just kept throwing ideas. कि ये करते हैं, हाँ तू ये बोल ले, तू बोल ले ऐसा, ये सब चलता रहा, and that's how the whole Mumu thing happened. And मेरे को basically पास में बैठना था उनके, उन्होंने बोला इधर इधर बैठ इधर, and I was like, are you sure? अरे बैठ बैठ बैठ, I sat here, मैंने कहा पूरा पूरा बैठ, like I was like यार ऐसा पूरा weight छोड़ू ना छोड़ू, but he was too sweet and they started kissing me. So
I'm so glad you are not married.
Yeah, no, why not? Yaar, Akshay sir hai. I'm in the league of Ravina Tandon, Shilpa Shetty, you know, Katrina Kaif. What more do I want in life?
Yeah.
So then they started kissing me and वो जो reaction था ना वो ये वाला, वो actually real reaction. उसमें acting नहीं हो, अगर आप फिल्म दोबारा देखोगे you will see that. And I'm like, what the hell is happening? He's really going for it. And then of course, then the hand thing, when I catch his hand and start kissing, that's improvised. Because I'm like, okay, now I have to do something. Like, you know, Mummu bhi kuch karegi na. So Mummu ne wo kiya, Chan, and all of that happened. So yeah, I had a great time. I think we shot for 5-6 hours, you know, and it was a blast.
Aditi,
Yeah.
you remember your question?
Hi.
Hi, Aditi.
Saw Stree 2 just yesterday and amazing. The whole theatre was like in awe of your acting and everything. My question was, now that we are talking about paranormal, have you yourself experienced any paranormal activity?
डर लगता है? Are you superstitious? Do you believe in ghosts?
I do. I believe in ghosts. I believe in the energies. I believe in second or third or multiple realms.
कुछ हुआ?
Yeah. दिल्ली में एक बार GK ग्रेटर कैलाश बोल के एक जगह है.
हाँ है. ऐसे बोल रहे हो?
नहीं, इनको नहीं पता ना. इनको नहीं पता ना
हाँ,
यार,
हाँ.
बॉम्बे वाले बेचारे. तो GK का सिग्नल है जो कि उस लाइक अ T. लेफ्ट में गार्गी कॉलेज है, राइट में NDTV का ऑफिस एंड ऑल दैट. So I was in an auto and midnight or maybe later than midnight.
One is a haunted house.
Or a haunted house, you know, this is a very famous story in Delhi, many people have seen it. So we are in the auto and suddenly I see on the middle of the road, I see a woman with white sari, as cliche as it can get. सफेद साड़ी में एक मुझे महिला दिख रही है and the auto guy is very fast, okay, so I'm like, so होता नहीं कि eye contact सामने है and suddenly I look at the auto guy and I'm like, अरे भैया सामने वो है, क्या देख के चलाओ दीदी, and I look at this, nothing, there's nobody and I am like, what the hell?
This is a night,
And
day. What?
night around 2 a.m. and the auto guy is now, he's driving but his head is down, he's like, साया है and I'm like, अरे तो आप ऊपर देखो ना and I'm like, what the hell? and he's like, साया and oh my god, that was very
You
scary.
actually
Yeah, I
saw
saw whatever spirit in front of
और
my,
हमारे
and many
बॉलीवुड
people have
वाली
said.
सफेद साड़ी बाल खुले हुए.
हाँ, और अगर हम ये फिल्मों में करें तो आप ही लोग बोलोगे कितना क्लीशे
Cliche
है.
है.
अरे यार ऐसा ही होता है, सफेद साड़ी में होती है.
एक तो इतने मेरे को DMs आए हैं
हाँ जी.
कि द कॉमन क्वेश्चन वाज यार स्त्री को पूछना सच में ऐसी होती है कास्टिंग कि
क्या?
हम ऑडिशन दें और मिल जाएगा रोल. यही एक
तो
तरीका.
और क्या तरीका?
नहीं मुझे क्या पता वो.
I don't know why this confusion about. Of course, that's how it is. And I mean, see, people don't believe in the process is what's the problem. I think, you know, when you're looking at it from outside, you're only saying कि ये तो कभी नहीं देंगे जब तक कि जान पहचान नहीं होगी, नहीं मिलेगी वो. बट यार वो तो ऑब्वियस है ना. अब अमर कौशिक मुझे जानते थे इतने सालों से, तभी उन्होंने मुझे जना के लिए क्या बोलते हैं ट्रस्ट किया. बट वो ट्रस्ट बिना ऑडिशन के नहीं किया. वो ट्रस्ट इसलिए नहीं किया कि मैं ओके एक्टर हूँ, ले लेता हूँ. He saw my skills, he tested me, he auditioned me. The other casting directors who were the Shiv and Ashish, they auditioned me for Jana. He liked it only then. He presented it to Dinesh Vijan. He also had a say, and that's how I got it. अभी recently मुंजिया में अभय वर्मा जो आया है, कैसे आया?
कैसे है?
Audition से आया. Audition से. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
He's so good.
He's so good. भेड़िया में पालन कैसे है? जोमिन का जो कैरेक्टर था, कहाँ से है? क्या जान पहचान है उसकी? You know, he gave an audition, and that audition was liked by Amar Bhai, and that's why he cast him.
So trust the process.
Of course, I mean it might take time. The problem is that
आप बड़ा पाव उनके साथ खाओ ना खाओ.
खाओ ना खाओ.
ऑडिशन देख लोगे.
बिल्कुल देखूंगा. कोई अच्छा एक्टर या अच्छा एक्ट्रेस होगी ना, वो दिमाग में रह जाती है. Like वामिका गब्बी. वामिका गब्बी को हमने कब से ऑडिशन किया था यार, फिलौरी बोल के एक फिल्म थी,
she
अनुष्का
was
शर्मा,
audition
she
for
was
it?
audition for it. Mehreen got that part, but then we kept auditioning Vamika here, there, and all that, and finally Jubilee is when she got the part. So many years. Shreya Dhanvantari, you know, I remember she coming up to me and she's like, Abhishek, मैं शायद कुछ नहीं होने वाला, मुझे कोई पसंद नहीं करता, मैं actually actor नहीं हूँ, and I'm like, you're a fantastic actor. She's one of the best actors I know right now, and you will get your due one day, and she's getting her due. Scam, Family Man,
Yeah.
you know, she was there everywhere. Gulab, वो क्या, Guns and Gulab में भी थी. So ऐसा ही होता है यार. I mean, no matter how much you want to, you know, complain about, but if you are a good actor, somehow you will be found.
यार ये तो चलो एक्टर्स थे जिनको आपने कास्ट किया.
जी.
थोड़े ऑप्शंस देती हूँ.
जी.
अगर इनको कहीं कास्ट करना हो तो आपको क्या लगता है किस तरह के रोल अच्छा करेंगे? शशि थरूर.
I'd want to cast him as a Casanova. Why not? You know, हम लोग हमेशा ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं कि मतलब Casanova एक तरह के हो सकते हैं? Why not someone like him being that cool, romantic
थरूर
comedy?
तरीके का भी हो सकता है, बिल्कुल. MS धोनी.
Oh my God. I would cast him as a spiritual guru.
Nice.
है ना? That's a very, you know, out of the box.
मतलब जेन्युइन वाले ये
नहीं,
आश्रम वाले.
actual spiritual guru यार. Why not यार? Like a motivational speaker also. Like, and I think he can motivate
Yeah,
millions and billions. Yeah.
रोहित शर्मा.
Gangster.
ओह, ऐसे भी और वैसे भी.
He's
Nice.
a gangster.
तन्मय भट्ट. Say it.
Chef.
Chef.
I think yeah. Chef who's a very strict chef. Like I'll cast him as a asshole chef. who's very rude to his staff. I want to see him playing
Hell's
that.
Kitchen. Okay.
No cuteness. Only like I want to see him like in brutally honest
God.
roles. Yeah.
Bhuvan Bam.
Bhuvan Bam, I'll cast him as coming of age character. I don't know. Maybe a sports drama. You know, something where he's a loser in the beginning and then later he wins. I think he can do that very.
विराट कोहली.
विराट कोहली को आप कास्ट नहीं कर सकते. Sorry. You can't.
No.
He's too big, yeah. I mean, I think he's beyond all of this for me, and he's something else. But if I had to, probably I'll cast him as DiCaprio in Wolf of Wall Street.
Not bad. Nice. This was brilliant. Thank you so much. आपकी अपनी लाइफ की स्टोरी स्क्रीन प्ले लग रही है. आप खुद अपने बायोपिक में काम कर सकते हैं.
मैं अपनी कहानी का सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर हूँ.
बट आपको मजा आया?
बहुत ज़्यादा यार. I think I had a lot of fun. It didn't feel like a show or anything. It just felt like I'm meeting all of you. And I hope all of you keep watching my films and बाकियों को भी दिखाओ.
How much do you like Gen Zs?
I love Gen Zs, yeah. I really do. I think they're very sorted and very smart. Not like us. They're very complex, overthinkers. You guys are not. तुम लोगों को ज़्यादा एंग्जाइटी हो जाती है.
Fever FM, happening